In this video, we are discussing big data overview. Big data nowadays has become a very popular topic because from the different sources, huge amount of data is getting generated and getting stored onto the cloud. 90% of the current data has been generated in the last 2 years or in couple of years. So that's why it is very alarming. So big data is a problem, big data has become a subject. And there are different kinds of data or different types of data will be existing in our big data. So they may be structured, they may be unstructured, they may be semi-structured and so on. So how to deal with this big data? So in this big data overview, we'll be going to discuss that very issue. So what is big data? Big data means a large data set that cannot be processed by the traditional computing techniques and systems. So big data is not merely a data, rather it has become a complete subject towards the solution of the big data, which involves various tools and techniques and new type of frameworks. New technologies, devices, communications are growing day by day, so the amount of data produced by mankind is growing rapidly with the progress of the years. 90% of the world's data was generated in the last few years. So it is very alarming. 90% of the world's data have got produced in the last few years. Let us go for with some statistics. So just consider this one, 90% of the world data in the world has generated in the last 2 years, last couple of years, 90% of the data it has got generated. So now for every second, Google is having 43,000 of searches. Just consider these figures per second. And here we are having 7,000 plus tweets on the Twitter per second. We are having almost 24 lakhs of emails are getting sent per second. We are having 80k videos viewed on the YouTube. We are having 21 plus TB of internet traffic per second. So just see the volume per second we are considering here. And if you go for the years, if you go to the calculation for the months, that will be an enormous figure. And by 220, 1/3 of the whole data will be stored in the cloud or to be transferred through the cloud. So that's why it is also very much alarming figure. And we are having that 80% of the business actual data will be stored on the cloud. So that's why big data has become a problem, has become a subject, and we require some solution for that. So here you see we are having different sources from where this big data is getting originated. We are having the social media, we are having the customer feedbacks and surveys, we are having the text messages and emails. We always do this one, and then call centers from ATMs. We are having so much data. We are having different kinds of data. Here we can have the structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured data, and so on. So these are the different origins. So let us go for some further discussion on them. So there are some origins are there. First one is a black box data, which we found in our respective aeroplanes and say helicopters. So the black box of aeroplanes or airplanes, and then we are having the helicopters and jets are used to store microphone voices, performance information of the airplane, longitude, latitude values, respective tracks and other information. So these things are required to be stored in our black box data. So that is also a huge one. Social media data. So different social media sites hold information about the various users around the world. Stock exchange data. It holds information about the buy and sell of the shares and etc. So these are the different origins from where the data is getting originated. Transport data. The transport data holds information about the model, capacity, distance and many other things of different versatile type of vehicles. Search engine data. Different search engines retrieve data from different databases. So that's why we are facing a problem. So problem name is big data. So it has got a new origin of a subject, that is a big data. So we require some solution. Watch next videos where we will be discussing regarding its solutions. Thanks for watching this video.